Hey, you seem a bit off lately. Everything okay?
Yeah, just not sleeping well. I keep waking up sore.
That's no good. Could it be your bed?
Actually, yes. My mattress sags a lot. Any advice?
Rotating it can even out wear, and adding a topper or plywood can reinforce saggy areas.
Interesting. What about a pillow top mattress?
If it's flippable, turn it over. A new topper could also breathe life back into it.
And if the sagging is right in the middle?
Regularly rotate it and add a firm topper or plywood underneath for extra support.
Sounds doable. How can I keep this from happening again?
Keep up regular care, rotate and flip your mattress, ensure a solid bed frame, and choose a durable mattress.
I might need a new one then. Any recommendations?
Check out puffy mattresses. They're built for comfort and durability, ideal for avoiding sag.
That helps a lot, thanks. I'll check them out.